Got the shoulders down. Out. Good. Let your head come down. Let your shoulders come down.
Welcome to Chiro World. We upload a variety of chiropractic adjustment videos to educate our viewers on the health benefits of chiropractic care. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Let's give it a try. Deep breath in and out. Good. We're going to bring the hips down, shoulders coming up. Good. A little bit more. Good. Good. Like we're back. That was crazy. Did it crack?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so, but it didn't crack where I wanted it to crack. I'm going to do that one more time. Just come up and the hip come down. Good. Lay your back.
Oh, okay.
That one was a little different. Bottom leg is straight, and then we're going to bend the top leg like this. I'm going to scoot you forward here just a little bit. And this one forward here like this a little bit too. Just relaxing, sinking.
Oh, that was so good.
Lay your back.
Until next time, take care and stay healthy.